lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, right now I'll be showing you how we prepare mango juice from raw mangoes. Raw mangoes make some delicious juice. It's not only the ripe ones. After harvesting our mangoes, I'll give them a thorough wash. Then I'll add water and put on fire. I'll now cover and let it cook until all the mangoes are ready. It's now time to check on our mangoes, and as you can see, they are split open, meaning they are now ready. At this stage, I'll take them off the fire and then I'll drain out all the water. Then I'll put them aside and let them cool completely. So right here we have our mangoes. They're already cool because I cooked them in the morning and it's now evening. So using a knife, you go ahead and scoop off the jelly. It's just as thick as a ripe mango. Look at that. So you just take off the skin. And then using a knife, scoop off the jelly. So that's how the jelly looks like. After peeling, you add in any sweetener of your choice. So I'm using sugar. I'll add in sugar and then a pinch of salt. Salt is really necessary when you're making this type of juice, so don't skip it out. Just add little, and in case you want to add in later, you can add in. So if you have a fridge, you can keep it like this. You just scoop little, put in a glass and then add water and take. For us, we are going to take it immediately, so I'll add water and then serve. So right now I'll add water. Cold water. Oh, look at that. Amazing. So I'll go ahead and sieve it. Just look at that. It looks like ripe mangoes, yet it's raw mango. So this is some delicious raw mango juice. So cheers. So who tells you delicious juice comes from only ripe mangoes? This juice is from raw mangoes, but look at it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.